Hey guys, it's Jacqueline here again with another quick hair tutorial using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. This is my first time using the tool, so let's see how it goes. First, I apply R&Co Park Ave Blowout Balm through the ends of my hair. Next, I'm spraying Power Dry Me all over the crown of my head to dry my hair a little bit faster. Then I make sure to clip up my hair into about 4 even sections since I have a lot of layers going on here. I started with the first bottom layer, drying from root to tip, curling it a little bit at the bottom. I have to go over the same piece a few times to smooth it out and make sure it's completely styled and dry before I move on to the next piece. I was kind of impressed because I really had low expectations of this product. Once I moved on to the next layer, I kind of got the hang of it a little bit better. I make sure to dry both sides of each hairpiece by flipping it over and under a few times with the brush. This will give my hair a little more body and shape that I like. I guess because I'm so used to using the traditional hair dryer and round brush that I thought this may take more practice to adjust, but it was actually really easy to get used to. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm using this hair dryer on the lowest heat setting because the highest heat setting was a little too hot for me. Made sure to take my time with each piece until I was truly happy with the result. Also, side note, I sped up this video a little bit because I know you don't want to watch me dry my hair for a whole 20 minutes. Drying the back of the hair is a little tricky, but if you go piece by piece and you lift it up over your head, it makes controlling it a little bit easier. Finally, we made it to the last layer at the top of my head. Now I dry the pieces by curling it under with the brush to frame my face a little more naturally. last step was to spray my hair with my favorite volumizing hairspray and to zhuzh my hair into place. And there you have it. I was actually really blown away by the finished result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.